Hello everybody, my name is Joseph Finkelmatter, and many of the items you see in your day-to-day world I have designed from my own, just my own intelligence and all of my own everything. I use AutoCAD 2020, the latest and the greatest, just to design everything. Now what I'm going to show you here is how to make chili con carne in AutoCAD. Of course, part 1. So first you're going to want to start out going with your 3D modeling view and go out to here, go to this view. What you're going to want to do is start a 3-point arc, and you're going to want object snap on, and you're going to want snap grid on, as well as ortho mode no. You bring that around about 10 units, and then you can bring this down to about 0.5 units, and then we can grab a line and trim it because these arcs are sometimes weird. So you're going to want to open the trim command, select your cutting edge, and then select what you want to be trimmed. Then after that you can delete this, and up next you're going to want to make a circle. Doesn't matter where you put it, and we're going to do about 2 units. Now you're not going to want to sweep this yet, but you're going to want to do that eventually. So what we're going to do is make a copy of this. You can select the base point anywhere and just move it back because you'll be moving it again eventually. What you're going to want to do now is take this and then sweep it. You're going to select this, press enter. Oh, you're going to need to select this, press enter, then select this. And there you have your main wireframe of that. What you're going to want to do now is you're going to want to move this, select this as your base point, and you can go ahead and turn snap grid off. You're going to want to select the center point of this circle. You got to make sure it's a center point or else it will not work. And you're going to want to take another circle, put it anywhere, and turn the snap grid back on. Well, you wouldn't have to do that. You could just type it in, but I personally like using snap grid. Now, what you're going to want to do here is put it at about, it's your choice. Depending on how thick you want the pasta, you can either do 1 unit or 1.5 units. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do 1.5 units, and I'll sweep it starting here, and then press enter, and then you sweep it there. And you see you got relatively thick pasta, and then you're going to want to go into your realistic view, and then you're going to do subtract, and you're going to want to select the outside layer, press enter, and you're going to want to select your inside layer. Sometimes it can be tricky because sometimes it does not want to work, and then you do the enter. Then you can see you have relatively thin pasta with 1.5, which isn't bad. Then you can, we're in the realistic view, so then we can go into our visualize tab and go to materials browser, and you can select whatever one you want, if you want sauce or not, but this one I'm just going to do a raw noodle, so I will choose, it's urethane 1. Oh, pardon me, no, I need to use wax black on red wood. No, that's not right either. This one. Wax red on light wood. And that looks like that's the closest you'll get to chili con carne. But if you'd like to add sauce or anything, then that's up to you. But I personally love the way this looks, and it would be ready to go into the bowl with the rest of the sauce. Thank you for watching chili con carne in AutoCAD 2020. I appreciate you watching, and thank you very much.